Libo-libong netizens na ang nag-react at umabot na sa mahigit 1 million ang nakabasa sa New Year's message ni Andrea Brillantes sa social media. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang official Facebook page, nag-share ang controversial kapamilya yang actress tungkol sa mga naging kaganapan sa kanyang buhay at karir nitong nagdaang 2023. Sa naturang post na ibinahagi rin niya sa Instagram nitong Lunes, January 1, mapapanood ang compilation ng mga video clip ng mga nangyari sa kanya last year. I am beyond grateful for everything I experienced and for everyone who was a part of my year. Ang bahagi ng caption ni Andrea. Aniya pa, I deeply appreciate each and every one of you. Happy New Year! White heart and shining star emoji. In fairness, talagang bumanang comments sa post na iyon ni Andrea na umabot na sa 1.4 comments at 1.1 million views with 84k emoji reaction. Pumili kami ng ilan sa mga naging reaksyon ng kanyang FB at IG followers. Stay who you are, learn the lesson and memories, let the new journey memorable. Happy New Year, Mars! Kaiyak naman, love you. Ingat always. May maturity and accountability be part of your growth in 2024. Cheers to a better year ahead. Supporting you for 11 years now. Always remember that we love you and we are so proud of you. Don't forget to pray and smile always. I love you, Ramona, at Blight. Lagi nalingan mo naman masyado yung recap. Happy New Year, Be. Happy New Year, Blight. I know you are not perfect and so are we, yet we'll still love you. Have a nice year ahead. Low-key just trying to flex, lol. So where's your apology? When are you going to own up to your mistakes and face the consequences? It's giving pa victim disguised as happy. Hindi, kala mo ikaw dyan yung na-perwisyo ngayong 2023 kung makagawa ka dyan ng inspiration video. Bagong taon pero di kakalimutan kapukpukan mo. Ang cringe mo po maging inspiration like cringe and trying hard knowing what you have done. Back off your feeling clean and pa-victim card because ain't gonna work again. Millions people will never forget your issues, especially Kay and Andrea. Sana magbago ka na talaga. You have learned mong mukha mo. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.